Welcome to Grammar Lessons from BM English Speaking.
सादा वर्तमान काल, present simple tense. Let's understand the use of verbs in present simple tense. सादे वर्तमान काल का उपयोग कोई भी भाषा में सच जताने के लिए होता है. चलिए एक उदाहरण देखते हैं. He is watching a reality show. वह एक रियलिटी शो देख रहा है. यह वाक्य हुआ चालू वर्तमान काल में, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. He watches reality shows. वह रियलिटी शोज देखता है. यह एक हकीकत है. With he we use watches. Let's look at another example. She is looking at the confectionaries. वह चॉकलेट्स की तरफ देख रही है. यह वाक्य हुआ चालू वर्तमान काल में. This sentence is in present continuous tense. She likes candies, chocolates and caramels. उसे कैंडीज, चॉकलेट्स और कैरमल्स पसंद है. यह एक हकीकत है. इसीलिए यह वाक्य हुआ प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. She likes, उसे पसंद है. He watches, यह एक हकीकत है कि वह रियलिटी शोज देखता है. He watches reality shows is a sentence in present simple tense. Let's understand the structure of a sentence in present simple tense. With I, we, you, they, we use do. With he, she, it, we use does. I do, we do, you do, they do. He does, she does, and it does. Similarly, I go to movies, we go to movies, you go to movies every Sunday, they go to movies every weekend. He goes to movies every weekend, she goes to movie every weekend. It goes in circles. Similarly, I have a car, we have a car, you have a car, they have a car, he has a car, she has a car, and it has four wheels. I like, we like, you like, they like, he likes, she likes, and it likes. I enjoy, we enjoy, you enjoy, they enjoy, he enjoys, she enjoys, and it enjoys. I study, we study, you study, and they study. He studies, she studies, and it studies. Let's understand the spelling rules in present simple tense. Pass becomes passes. Wash becomes washes. Catch becomes catches. Study becomes studies. Fly becomes flies. Pay becomes pays. चलिए कुछ और उदाहरण देखते हैं. I work on weekends. The structure of a sentence in present simple tense is like this. Subject plus the main verb and then the object. I is a subject here. Work is the main verb. On weekends is the object in the sentence. Let's look at the structure again. She works on weekends. She is the subject here. Works is a main verb. On weekends is the object here. Present simple tense is used to show in the present facts, universal truth or laws of nature, or routine activities and habits. Tina drinks plenty of water. This is a fact. Tina, we use she. With she we use drinks. She drinks plenty of water. Tina बहुत पानी पीती है. Smartphones have a lot of features. This is a fact. For smartphones, the pronoun that we use is they. With they we use have. They have a lot of features. Smartphones have a lot of features. Indians celebrate many festivals. For Indians, the pronoun that we use is they. With they we use celebrate. They celebrate many festivals. Indians celebrate many festivals. Let's look at some examples with universal truth. The moon revolves around the earth. For the moon, the pronoun that we use is it. With it, we use revolves. The moon revolves around the earth. Water takes the shape of the container. It's a universal truth. For water, the pronoun that we use is it. With it, we use takes. Water takes the shape of a container. It takes the shape of the container. Light travels faster than sound. For light, again the pronoun that we use is it. With it, we use travels. Light travels faster than sound. Let's also look at the usage of always, never, usually, often, sometimes. Always का मीनिंग हुआ हमेशा. Never मतलब कभी नहीं. Usually मतलब ज्यादातर. Often मतलब लगभग हमेशा. And sometimes मतलब कभी कभी. In present simple tense, we use subject plus always or never or usually or often or sometimes and then the verb one. चलिए एग्जाम्पल की मदद से इसको समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Our company always audits cash vouchers every quarter. Our company, the pronoun is it. With it, we use audits. It audits cash vouchers every quarter. Our company always audits cash vouchers every quarter. यहाँ पर our company is a subject, then we use always, then the first form of verb which is audits, and then the object which is cash vouchers every quarter. Mr. and Mrs. Shetty usually go to yoga class. In place of Mr. and Mrs. Shetty, the pronoun that we use is they. We'll say they go to yoga classes. वे yoga classes के लिए जाते हैं. They usually go to yoga classes. वे लगभग हमेशा योगा क्लासेस के लिए जाते हैं. I never watch television. I watch television is a sentence in present simple tense. But if you have to use never, never will come before the verb and after the pronoun. I never watch television. मैं टीवी कभी भी नहीं देखता हूं. Thank you.